Hey guys, I am on my way to the French side. This is Angelo. Say hey, Angelo. We're about to go to Caribbean Creole Food. So I'm going to show you guys the restaurant when we get there and see if the food is good. So I'm excited. Caribbean Creole Food. Nice and big, standalone.
That's Prince Better.
Hey guys, so I'm outside of Caribbean Creole Food and I just ordered. We got the red snapper and the ribs with plantain and rice. So we're gonna try that and see how it is, and we will let you guys know because we are in St. Martin and we're on the French side. So we're about to try this food and I believe it's gonna be good. And if you too are gonna be in St. Martin, you have to come over here because it's different. It's different from the Dutch side. But I'm excited about this food, okay? They have different stuff every day. So they have a Monday combo, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday and Saturday and Wednesday is... One second. Okay, there we go. Wednesday is the Spanish day. So they have arroz con, and I don't know how to say the other word, but I know arroz con. And here it is. So yeah, I'm excited to get the food, and I will check in with you guys when the food gets here. So, see you in a second. So mama's ready to come down, like I said. Some big ones, see them big ones here and there. I got my food, I got the ribs. They look super good. I'm about to try one. I'm gonna try one without the sauce stuff on it first because it looks like pico, and I love pico. But these are the ribs. My mouth is watering because I love ribs and I've been wanting some ribs. So I finally get to have some ribs now. Seasoned. That's what I love about it. Very seasoned. Very crispy. Oh, wow. You got a little taste of that sauce on there? And good. Good. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hold it first. Look at this, guys. Do you see this? A fried red snapper, plantain, Creole rice, and like a Creole salad. Super excited. This rib, 10 out of 10. Now let's get a video of this one. Now this is what I'm talking about. Red snapper. Okay. I want to take the rib bone back to my dog in the United States, but I'm 100% sure customs will stop me for a bone. Red snapper. I've been wanting some ribs this whole time and I haven't had any yet. But these are good. These are really good. Huh?
I'll get 6 points.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna try the red snapper. You guys, look at the presentation.
Ooh.
Okay, so let's dig in. Let's see. Every time I touch something, my mouth waters. Oh, this is good. So crispy. And I love red snapper. This, whatever this stuff is really good. I know, I want to eat the bone.
Right. Gotta be careful.
The red snapper, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna move over to the rice. Let's see.
Oh my God.
So
Rooney
fluffy.
gave me a piece of the ribs. So good.
Mmm. Plantain. I love plantain. You guys, this is so freaking good. Look at this.
But the fish, I never had this.
My mom never had red snapper.
Never. I seen the pictures. I used to like, but oh my God.
This is so good.
Thank you.
If you want to get in the video,
Huh?
say hey. What is this?
People are saying that wine.
Okay.
Enjoy
Yeah.
wine, you know? Thank you for the wine.
Yeah.
They got bones in my
I
mouth.
sure know how to treat you down here.
Okay. Wine. Let's give it a taste.
It's a bittersweet, but oh my God.
Mmm.
About the fish, watch out for the bones.
Okay,
Which
hold
I
on.
probably already knew that.
I'm gonna try this rib with the sauce on it. So let's split the sauce. Look at this fish. Look at this red snapper.
Mark my words.
So good.
I'm gonna move down here.
That bite was so good. If you get on top of the red snapper and pull down, it won't have bones.
I'm actually enjoying pulling on the bones.
I'm not. I'm trying to eat.
I know, but
But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it's done what I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.
No, you ain't seen nothing like this. 5-star eating good every night shit. Out in Paris, taking shopping on some light shit. Playing really LAX, yeah, you a flight risk. No, I got you in your feelings when I kiss on your neck. Had to fly you out to Cali, say you tired of your ex. Had you rockin' that little rollie, but I got you baguettes. I know fucking with that nigga was your biggest regret. I put it all on your neck, but still, only time she call when it's sweat. Top down, baby, come and slide in this deck. Baby, clean it up, cause when we fuck, you make a mess. Now I got some racks, baby, you my big flex. Hard to tell the time I got you flooded VVS. Paparazzi flashing, we get fly in the jet. We get fly. I ain't gonna lie, baby, I'm missing you. I know these diamonds don't mean shit to you. I know that really don't mean shit to you. I ain't gonna lie, baby, I'm missing you. I know these diamonds don't mean shit to you. I know that really don't mean shit to you.
Okay, guys. I just ate all of my food.
oh,
Not all of it because I'm full. But I ate a good amount. The fish is gone, but it was really good. Most definitely 10 out of 10. That so far was my favorite meal since I've been here. But it's off the island, so of course it's gonna be good.
Bring the fire truck in it, Amazon. So we
Oh,
have desserts coming next.
look at this little
Dessert is
pastry. I'm gonna try
Dessert
it.
is
Uh-oh. Look at this. Look at this dessert. And my birthday is coming up, so I will call this my birthday cake.
You done?
So yes, I'm full now. So I'm gonna try
So what is
these.
what? In 19 days?
Can I have a fork?
19 days?
Huh?
19 days?
Yes, 19 days.
4 hours.
But January, we're celebrating the whole January, okay?
That's right. It's our birthday.
So I'm gonna wait for a fork.
Mm-hmm.
My mom's ready with her fork, so she has to wait a little bit.
You gonna cut half and put me half, and then just
Because I get the first bite. Oh my God, this one looks
fire.
This one looks delicious. Look at the fresh fruit on top.
So fire.
Look at
I
that.
need to turn this camera down. Hold on, it
Y'all
looks
see
fire.
that? And it has a very nice presentation. It looks like a cheesecake.
Go
And it
up.
looks super good. I don't know what this is,
Well, the icing looks really good.
but this looks very, very good as well.
Ooh, look at the little bow on the top.
Oh, look at the it's
Instant.
a little flower, but this is actually a vanilla bean.
Okay.
A real vanilla bean.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm gonna wait for the fork and then we should be
So
good.
we're gonna serve your hands and
So
split it, 'cause,
good.
you know.
Oh my God. Mark other than half. Who's gonna get the fruit half and who's gonna get the whipped
Oh,
cream
you can
half?
have whatever. Leave me a slither. Take some, cut it like this.
I know.
Down the side.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this
Like,
in half. Let's see.
oh,
I guess this part doesn't matter.
yeah.
It looks creamy in the middle. Hold on, I'm gonna have to take a bite of it first because I want to see what's in the middle because something is in
Vanilla.
there. I love how the desserts here are not that
What
sweet
would we call this?
because in America,
I don't know the name.
our dessert would have been full of high
This
fruit
one, that's
toast
a-
corn syrup.
This one is strawberry.
Cheesecake.
That's
This is a cheesecake too. A
Is it?
cream cheese on top.
It's so light.
Yeah.
And I
And it's
love
crust.
This crust is good.
It might be the same crust as this. It's good. It's not even graham cracker. It's something better.
Here. I'm gonna give you some of this fruit.
I don't need no fruit.
I don't know. It's too
or
hard.
cheesecake with strawberry.
This is cheesecake.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the cheesecake. Clumsy me, of course. That raspberry puree.
It is. That raspberry stuff good.
Best birthday ever, thanks to Angela.
Best birthday ever. We gotta say thank you. Thank you, sir. So cool, y'all. If I come back 10 pounds bigger, just know I'm that happy thing.
If I come back 10 pounds bigger, I'm doing a Manjaro shot.
You be happy. Big, sexy, cool.
It'll be called like an emergency shot, like a
Plan B. I need a
what's
Plan
those things
B
called?
Ozempic pill.
When you have an allergy, EpiPen.
I
I'm
need
gonna
Plan
EpiPen.
B.
I'm gonna EpiPen myself if I gain weight by the time I get back to the States.
A Plan B Ozempic pill.
A Plan B Ozempic pill. Alright guys, I just wrapped up the Caribbean Creole Food vlog. And when I say 10 out of 10 for everything, the pastries, Angelo has been super helpful. He literally said he called the bakery this morning for 2 special pastries and they were good. They were really delicious. They weren't too sweet. No preservatives, you can tell. I'm happy. So see you guys shortly. Peace. How are you?
She a baddie, she know that she precious. Her glowing, I'ma say it's impressive. Get to a bed however she wants. You can do what you want if you want to. She a baddie, she know she gon' run it up. Send me the 80, you already know I'm gon' slide. I be a soldier in the field for you. They be acting, they ain't really outside. Tenny B in this lit. Tenny B get the bang. Tenny B in this